Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the auto off on your Delonghi Dedica machine. So this will be if you don't use it when it goes to sleep. There's three different settings. We have 9 minutes, 30 minutes and 3 hours. Once it goes into sleep, it's really easy to take it back out of sleep. You just press one of the buttons and it will come back to life again, but they have allowed you to change it if you want. So we are going to go into programming mode. We need to make sure that it is on and up to temperature. You can see that it's ready to be used now. To go into programming mode, we're going to hit down the steam button for 10 seconds. And once it starts cycling through, we can let go. So we can let go now, and now we need to put it into auto off mode. So we're going to tap this button here, and then we need to choose between 9 minutes, 30 minutes and 3 hours. So if we want to do 9 minutes, we're going to tap this button here, and then it will confirm with a little double flash here. There you go, and now it's set to 9 minutes. If you want to set it for 30 minutes auto off, we'll just quickly show you that now. So again, into programming mode here. Once it starts cycling through, let go. There we go, cycling through. And now we're going to tap this to put it into auto off. And then we're going to tap this one here for 30 minutes. Remember, 9, 30, 3 hours. Tap this, and this will confirm with a little double blink. There we go, and now we're back to normal. So now if I don't touch it for 30 minutes, this will turn itself off. We'll put it into sleep mode there. And even after we turn it on and off numerous different times, it will keep that setting. Thanks for watching.